Well, we were just surprised. You see the boys ahead, while we were on the bridge, they packed up everything from the picnic that James Hayden's mom made for us. And those awesome cookies that his dad and mom made. They were awesome. Didn't you like them, Shannon?
Those were great.
They were great. Yum. Just the calories we need for a big day on the river. And then the boys packed everything up and they were on their way ready for our hike without us even asking. There they are, and Kurt threw away a bunch of stuff. It's great. Kurt, why does the garbage can have that kind of lever?
Because of raccoons.
Because of who?
The raccoons.
You think the raccoons will eat the food?
Uh-huh.
You're a smart cookie. Speaking of cookies.
I just ate one. Me too.
What's that?
We just had cookies.
They're
Very
good. Weren't they good?
Yeah, they were really good.
Can you say thanks to Mr. and Mrs. Stevenson?
My knee brace is right there, below you.
You're going to get his knee brace on.
All right, here, stick this water in there too.
All right, I think we're off.
We're off.
Thanks, James Hayden.
So wonderful.